Welcome back, YouTube. I'm back with another video. This time it will be a hair video. Y'all want to see how I achieve this look? Stay tuned to the video and watch to the end. Bye. Hi you guys, welcome back to another YouTube video where I'm going to show you guys how to install a synthetic wig. So first I start out by spraying my edges with Gotta Be spray and pushing it back with a baby hair brush. And so I can lay my edges, and my edges will be laid for when I put the cap on. So now I'm gonna go in and blow dry my edges back or whatever so it can stay and won't move when I put the cap on. Okay, now I am putting on the cap. You need to make sure you pull the cap all the way down, like over your ears. Okay, you see how I did that? I pulled it over my ears. Now I don't pull it all the way down and then cut holes around my eyes and stuff like that. No, that's just too much for me. Just make sure you put it down all the way where it's covering your ears. Now you will want to cut little tiny holes and, fit your ear through that hole. Do it on both sides. Now you want to go in with the Gotta Be spray and spray along your hairline. Okay, don't spray too much because you ain't gonna need all that. Alright, so just spray enough. Me, I had sprayed a lot, I ain't gonna lie. But don't spray a lot like I did. Okay? Now you use the blow dryer to dry it all the way. Don't leave it wet. Feel. I was feeling throughout the whole time I was blow drying to make sure it wasn't still wet, You gotta make sure it's dry. That'll let you know that the cap is for sure glued to your goddamn head. So yeah. Just feel. And when you feel like it's dry, then that's when you can stop with the blow dryer. Okay, now you want to go with the concealer or foundation that matches your skin color. Okay, I use 2 different concealers so I could get my shade of color because, I did not have my actual shade. So I mixed them 2 concealers together, and don't wet the brush with the concealer. Make sure it's like a little bit on the brush because it's gonna be too much. But you will want to dab. I had dab first, just to make sure it's not too much. I ain't putting too much in one spot. Then that's when I go in and start, brushing it on the cap. Make sure you don't leave no space, okay? No patch of white or whatever kind of color you got for the cap. Now you want to take your scissors. Do not lift how to explain it? You want to lift up, but don't lift up too much where, the cap is pulling. You know how stockings be pulling and it be strings? Yeah, you don't want that to happen because that's going to show. So make sure you're not pulling it all the way. here, I'm kind of lifting it up. You know, I'm not pulling, but I'm lifting it up a little bit so the stocking cap will be close to my hairline and not fall down on my forehead where it look like I have a helmet on. So yeah, I'm just pulling so the cap will be close to my hairline. That's literally all I'm doing. So if you manage to put too much gotta be like I did and the cap stuck to your forehead, just lift it up close to your hairline. Now right here, to secure it, I just tie the ends and tuck it. That's all I do. Now I'm going in with my Erica J adhesive, and I'm gonna put 3 layers. 3 layers. Okay, right there I'm showing you my wig and how it looks or whatever. That's the inside. I don't like it on my right. The part is on the right. I like it on the left. You know, but it's whatever. I ain't care. So right here is where I am applying the glue. I'm going to start on one side. I'm going to apply the glue on one side. 3 layers. Okay? And not the skinny patches. Make that layers wide. Okay? Don't make them little skinny, you know, strips of glue. Make it wide, you know, so your wig can stay on for a long time, you know. So yeah. Then I'm going to apply the wig on that side once the 3rd layer is dry. That's when I'm going to move to the other side and repeat them same steps. And also when you're applying the glue, don't do thick layers, because if you do that, it's not gonna dry properly. Then you're gonna have clumps of glue just there and not drying, and then the process gonna be messed up from there. So right here is what I'm showing that I'm cutting the lace off first. I'm cutting the lace off first, you know, but I am leaving a little lace on there. I'm not cutting at the hairline, you know. Leave a little lace there because you don't want to cut too much off. So I cut the lace off first, and then that's when I will apply the wig. Okay, and now I'm about to move to the other side. Same thing. 3 layers, make sure it's not patchy layers. And yeah, once the glue is clear, that means it's good to go. Okay. Okay, now I'm applying the elastic band. Okay, I'm about to tell you the rest of the steps from here down. I'm gonna hop on and let y'all just watch it. Okay, so I apply the elastic band. I take the clip out my head, I shake it, I try to figure out what to do because, it's my first time installing the synthetic wig. So I ain't know really much to do. I curled it a little bit. The curls was decent. I'm surprised that the wig did curl, I never had a synthetic wig in my life. So this is my first wig that I applied on my head. So yeah, brushing it out, making sure it's detangled and stuff like that. As you can see by my face, I was real nervous. Like, I didn't know what to do. I was real nervous. I didn't know what to do to it. And then it had a lump. I don't know why it had a lump in it. I don't know. Just, I don't know. It was getting on my nerves because, you know, yeah, I don't like that. So then I'm going to take the elastic band off and do my baby hairs. Well, first, as you can see, I'm lifting it up. I'm cutting a little bit of the lace that I did leave because there was just too much lace on that side. So yeah, I cut that off. Then I pull some hair out from the, hairline. I couldn't pluck anything because if I would have plucked it, it would have showed the tracks. And that's a big no-no. So yeah, I pulled some hair out and continue on my baby hairs. I flipped, when I curl my baby hairs, I have flipped upwards. Instead of under, I flip up the baby hairs. So yeah, that's all I did. And I'm going to let you guys continue to watch the video. Bye.
This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. How this?
Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig have just made breakfast for Pepper and George.
Breakfast is ready.
Pepper has red spots on her face.
I don't feel very well. Oh. Good.
this wraps up how it came out. I went off camera to put concealer on my part, and I tried to curl it a little bit. I was surprised I even got a curl, honestly, but you know. And I tried to fix my baby hairs. It came out decent. Came out better than what I expected it to be. But yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to this video, and give me a thumbs up. And stay tuned for the next video. Probably a vlog, probably another hair video. Bye.